Want seriously great coffee at home without the big professional machine? Meet the Bambino. Let's get set up. Firstly, prepare the machine by giving the various components a quick rinse in warm water and dishwashing liquid, then dry. Before making a coffee, we need to run through the first use cycle to rinse the machine and prime the heating system. Remove the water tank and fill to the max line. Then ensure that the drip tray is placed firmly in the machine. Place the container under the portafilter and steam wand for this first cycle. Once plugged in, press the 1 cup button to start the first use cycle. The 1 and 2 cup buttons are illuminated after the first use cycle is complete. Now we're ready to make our first espresso. For the best tasting coffee, always be sure to buy good quality 100% Arabica beans with a roasted on date on the bag. You'll find 2 filter baskets, one for a single shot and the other for a double shot, or 2 cups. Let's make a double shot espresso. This is a portafilter, which is a key symbol for third wave specialty coffee. Place the right amount of coffee into the portafilter and give it a quick tamp, just like the pros. When the tamper's top edge is level with the top of the portafilter, you know you've got the right amount of coffee. Then insert into the group head. The Bambino uses a ThermoJet heating system, which means it's ready to go in just 3 seconds, so no waiting to get started. Press the 2 cup button. This machine uses low pressure pre-infusion and PID temperature control for perfectly balanced taste. The ideal shot flows like warm honey. There you have it, a great tasting coffee made with the Bambino. If you're ready to make the perfect latte, see our milk texturing video.